Bitcoin over the last week has a $13 billion market cap. That's more than U.S. Steel, and that's bigger than Twitter. So what's going on? There's a couple just fundamental things going on. The first thing is just classic supply and demand. So we have demand coming from China and India. We talked about the devaluations that are occurring in China, capital flight coming from China, almost $50 billion last month. People are using Bitcoin as a digital gold and store of value in an environment like that. In India, a month ago, they, in 20 minutes, said 86% of the cash in the country is no longer valid. So they essentially demonetized the country. People then looked for an alternative currency that is outside of the financial system. Bitcoin got demand from that. At the same time, you have supply declining. So we only have 5 million Bitcoin that are left. There's going to be 21 million total. 16 million are free floating. The other 5 million are going to be drip fed out to the market over the next 100 years. So you don't have anything like in gold where the price goes up and you have a supply response from the miners. In Bitcoin, that's not going to happen. There's 5 million left. So you have increasing demand smashing right into decreasing supply. And what do you get? Well, you get a smart board that doesn't work. But the other thing you get is you get a Chinese yuan highly correlated to Bitcoin. Okay, that's been happening over the last month or so. And then the second, here we go, that's the chart right there. Look at that. This has been for almost a year. And if you actually look at what Bitcoin does, it tends to move a week or two ahead of the yuan. So you can kind of get an idea of where that rate's going to be. And then finally, you might ask, BK, is it too late to buy Bitcoin?
BK, is it too late to buy Bitcoin?
Yeah, you know what,
hey,
thanks so much for asking that. It's not too late to buy Bitcoin, and here's why. It's up 100% this year, phenomenal run, but this chart is a log chart, which adjusts for big price changes, essentially percentage change. So this is Bitcoin all the way back from 2002. Massive rally, and you can see on a log chart we've really just been going sideways here for a bit. So if we really get this acceleration and we get some more use cases coming on in the next year, you could really see a massive breakout in this.